Good day, my friends. I'm back after a while, and my topic now is multiplication by 8, a speedy method versus the common practice. So let's start. So we have 3 rules. First is subtract the right number from 10, then double. The second one is subtract the next number from 9, double, and add neighbor. The third one is subtract 2 from left number. So let us have this example. 826 times 8. So from rule 1, subtract 6 from 10. That would be 4 times 2 equals 8. Subtract 2 from 9. That would be 7 times 2. That would be 14 plus 6. That would be 20. Carry 2. Subtract 8 from 9. That is just 1 times 2 equals 2 plus 2 equals 4 plus 2 carry. That would be 6. And then subtract 2 from 8. That would be 6. So the answer is 6,608. Let's go to the common practice. As I said earlier, when we multiply with bigger numbers, there are numbers where our answers are not certain. Sometimes we doubt with our answers. We doubt of the product of the two big numbers. Now we will just try with this one. 6 times 8 equals 48. That would be 4. 2 times 8 is 16. Plus 4, that would be 20. Carry 2. 8 times 8 equals 64. Plus 2, that would be 66. So the answer is 6,608. Now take note that we are dealing it with smaller numbers. But 2 and 4 are much bigger compared to the other side, where most of the time the carry is 1. Sometimes the carry is 2 compared to the other side. Now let's try with the bigger numbers. We have 897 times 8. So 10 minus 7 is 3 times 2 equals 6. And then 9 minus 9 is 0 times 0 equals, times 2 equals 0, plus 7 equals 7. And then 9 minus 8 equals 1 times 2 equals 2, plus 9 equals 11, carry 1. And then 8 minus 2 equals 6, plus 1 equals 7. So the answer is 7,176. Now let's look at the common practice. So 7 times 8. Sometimes this is a gray area to me. 7 times 8 equals 56. Carry 5. The 9 times 8 is 72 plus 5, that would be 7, 77, carry 7. Then 8 times 8 equals 64 plus 7. Now 64 plus 7, sometimes it takes you several seconds to add 64 by 7, which is 71. Now, when you review your answers, you have really to get the product and add the carry. When it is a bigger number, sometimes you have to use your fingers. You have to use your imagination. Okay, let's go to the other side. We have a bigger number now. We have 6,885 times 8. So, 10 minus 5 is 5 times 2 equals 10. And then 9 minus 8 equals 1 times 2 equals 2 plus 5 equals 2 plus 5 equals 7 plus 1 equals 8. I forgot to carry the 1 there. 8. And then 9 minus 8 equals 1 times 2 equals 2 plus 8 equals 10, carry 1. We should not forget to write down the carry. And then 9 minus 6 is 3 times 2 equals 6 plus 8 equals 6 plus 8 equals 14 plus 1 carry, it is 15. So carry 1. 6 minus 2 is 4 plus 1 carry is 5. So the answer is 55,080. Now let's go to the other side. 5 times 8, of course, it is 40. Carry 4. Then 8 times 8 is 64. And then plus 4, that would be 68. Carry 6. And then 8 times 8 equals 64. Plus 6 equals 70. Carry 7. Then 6 times 8 equals 48. 48 plus 7, that would be 55. So the answer is 55,080. Now take note that the carry numbers are getting bigger. We have 764. Instead of just in the other side where the carry is most of the time is only 1. And then sometimes only it is 2. Like this one here. We have carry 2. So if you just have a little practice, patience in the practice with this speedy method, you will really realize that this procedure is much better compared to the common practice. Okay? So, excuse me. I hope, friends, that you will subscribe and then share this info to your friends, to your co-students, or even math teachers, so that they will also teach this method to the students, so that they will also know that there is a much better procedure compared to the conventional method or the common practice. And thank you.